Hi everyone, today we are going to reprogram our remote control for a Genie garage door opener. This actually is a half horsepower model H8000D. So first thing we want to do is we have to find the learn button, which on this model is right here. And notice when I push it, the red light's going to start blinking. Red light's blinking. Now I'm going to push the button on my remote control that I want to program. The red light is gone. It's on the whole time, not blinking. I push that same button again, and the red light goes off, and I should be paired. Let's give it a shot. We have success.